this pantry renovation, I'm making this storeroom part of the pantry. They want a big butler's pantry with a bench and shelves. So the first thing we need to do is get rid of the storeroom. I'll be putting a shoe shelf in the space where this old storeroom door was. So there's some interesting framing going on here. That's a load-bearing wall, so there should be a beam up there. But before I install the cavity slider in that gap, I'm going to put a beam in. As you can see, I've just got some temporary studs taking the weight of those trusses. There's not too much weight there, so it was okay to do that. Now I've got the beam in, all screwed off from the top and on the sides, and I've put the cavity slider in and started throwing some gyprock up. So I was looking forward to doing some more plastering. So I got the plastering in, got all the door jamb stuff up for the cavity slider, and even threw up some cornice. I was proud of myself. I did the plastering in the internal corners and they came up really good, so I'm pretty happy with that. I'm glad I own a sander though, I will say that. And there's the shoe shelf. So they're gonna store all their shoes in that there. And the cavity slider works well. I still have to put some new tiles down. They need cabinets done. I'll be doing the shelving at the top for them, but they'll get a cabinet maker in to do the bench and all the other stuff. I'm happy with how the cornice turned out as well. Do you do any plastering when you're doing little renovations like this? So if you want a pantry renovation done, if you want a quote, just reach out and I can let you know how much it's going to be. So here's before and here's after. This job certainly isn't finished, so stay tuned if you want to see how it all turns out at the end.